Hi friends, my name is Chitesh. I am studying 9th class at PHS High School, Atal Technical Lab, Chittoor district.
My name is Basit. I am studying 8th class.
Title of the project is, we have prepared a project. The title of the project is Damgate Water Level Indicator. The need of the project is, rivers and ponds are usually due to the rainfalls during the monsoon seasons. Rainwater is in different states is involved. 48 students from the engineering college is going to a trip and stopped to the photos and to the Rocky. This exact time the flooded was come to the moment when 24 students were swept away from the discharging away from the by the hydropower plant.
Working process of the project. We here proposed an automatic dam water level monitor and a controlling process. We propose a project uses sensors to sense the water level and open the dam gate accordingly. Our project uses sensors to sense the water level and open the dam gate according to the water level. Our system uses multiple sensors, water level sensors for these purposes. The three sensors are mounted at different water levels in order to check the water level and signals. When water reaches the first sensor and it is sensed by it and displayed. When water reaches the first sensor, it is sensed by it and displayed. When water reaches the second sensor, the green lights will glow. And as soon as water reaches the third sensor, it will give silence.
Atal tools used in this project: 3 soil moisture sensors, 3 controllers and 3 relay switches and a jumper wires and a buzzer and 3 type LED lights.
When water reaches the first sensor, it is sensed by it and displayed. And when water reaches the second sensor, it provides signal to microcontroller and open the dam gate partially. And as soon as water reaches the third sensor, it provides signal to microcontroller. Microcontroller provides signal to motor. Motor is demonstrated as opening the dam gate fully. By this technology, we can save the people and animals from the floods.
Thank you, Ananda.